Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. In today's video, let's talk about percent. Percent, or sometimes also called percentage, essentially mean the same thing. Now what that means is how you represent a number as a fraction of 100. And I will explain it to you in a moment. First, let's look at the word percent itself. Per and cent, right? Per, well, technically per means divide. And cent means 100. So what percent means is divided by 100. So for example, if you have 20%, you can simply write it as 20 over 100. If you have 65%, you can write it as 65%. This is what 65% means. If you have 80%, you can write it as 80%. And how it translates into fractions is something that we will look in a different video. But for percent, just understand percent means nothing else than divided by 100. Any number. So for example, if I tell you 50%, how can you write it? Pause the video and try it. Right, you just write it 50%, and that's 50%. Okay, so now let's look at one more concept before we end this video. Now let's have a look at how we can apply these percentages, at least in a simple form, right? This is what we want to know. So for example, if I tell you 20% of 40. So we know that 20% of 40. Remember, this of in most of the cases, of in mathematics means multiply. In almost 90% of the cases, when you see an of between two numbers, it means multiply. Okay? And then you do your basic calculation and you find the final answer to be 8. Right? I hope you know we can cancel the zeros like this, and 2 times 4 is 8, divided by 1 we don't have to do anything, so the final answer is 8. So remember, 20% of 40. Let's do one more. So applying the same rule, why don't we calculate 40% of 80? Let's try that. If you understood how we do it, pause the video and try to solve it. Otherwise, let's follow together. 40% of 80. It should be equal to 32. Did you get the same answer? I'm sure you did. See you in the next video.
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.